In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. If messages aren't showing up, don't worry. Most of the time it comes down to a few simple settings you can check and fix in minutes. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser or the Gmail app. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're signed in to the right one. I recommend using a desktop browser for this walkthrough because the settings are easier to see and adjust. Next, check your spam and trash folders. On the left sidebar in Gmail, click Spam and then Trash to see if messages were misfiled. If you find something that should be in your inbox, open the email and choose Not Spam or move it back to the inbox. A quick tip: use the search bar and type in Spam or in Trash to scan these folders faster. Also, look for the promotions or social tabs in your inbox in case messages are landing there. If your inbox is still quiet, check your storage. When your Google storage is full, Gmail stops accepting new mail. Look for the storage indicator at the bottom left of Gmail. Remember, this storage is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. If you're close to the limit, delete large emails with big attachments by searching for larger 10M. Clear old or unneeded files in Drive and empty spam and trash. If you need more space quickly, upgrading your storage is an option. Now open Settings by clicking the gear icon and then see All Settings. Go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Look for filters that say skip the inbox, delete it, or forward it. Those can silently move messages away. Edit or delete any filter that's catching mail you still want. While you're there, scan the blocked senders list and unblock trusted senders if needed. Head to the Forwarding and POAP IMAP tab. If forwarding is turned on, make sure it's going to the right place and that Keep Gmail's copy in the inbox is selected so Gmail doesn't remove it after forwarding. Under POP settings, confirm it isn't set to delete Gmail's copy after a client downloads messages. If you use other email apps, make sure IMAP is enabled in the same tab. IMAP keeps your mail in sync across devices, whereas POP can pull messages out if misconfigured. Enable IMAP, save your changes, and then let your mail apps resync. After walking through these checks, spam and trash, storage, filters, forwarding, and IMAP, Gmail should start receiving messages normally again. Give it a moment to update and you're all set.